Cause and havoc. That one's like a little explorer. That little spotty one. Oh my gosh, it's on my head. I guess they're people friendly.
I guess so.
That scared me. Don't eat the bills. Hey. His name is Bill. Oh God.
I don't like those bills either.
Oh my God, he ate the whole thing. Good Bill.
Fuck you, gas company.
I think Petey wants out. Petey's angry. Come on. I need to get them to trust hands. Come on. They're so excited to be out. Come on. Get on my arm. Oh, no, they'd rather be on my head. Please do not rip my hair. Please do not rip my hair out of my scalp. Is that the same one that got my head last time? The spotted one's like the real...
I don't know how to tell the difference between the two yellow and greens.
One of them's got like cockatiel spots, and the other one is like more... Petey, do you want out? Ooh, it's the same one.
Say hi, Ashley.
Oh! It scares me when they fly away. I think they're just trying to get used to me. I think that's Bill, the one that doesn't have spots, is the big fat one that eats bills.
He really likes you.
Mm-hmm. I just don't want to poo-poo in my hair.
Alright.